In this video, we will cover how to add a season, grower, farm, and field on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Management. Under the Grower tab, press the Add button, enter in the new grower name, press the Season tab, press the Add button, enter in the new season name, press the green check mark, press the Field tab, switch the grower to the grower that we just created, press the Add button, press the Add button again, enter in the farm's name, press the green check mark, press Next, press the Add button, enter in the field name, press the green check mark, repeat this step until all fields have been added to this farm. Once complete, press the green check mark. And as you can see, our new farm and field have been entered under the new grower's name. We have now covered how to add a season, grower, farm, and field on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.